Happy birthday, dearest Faza. Your light shines bright in hearts of many. Love follows so deeply, eyes sparkle with joy as stars in night. In life and love, you guide us gently. Soft vipers of dreams come true in love. Your heart beat strong with grace and honor. In every moment shared, we find new strength with you. By side, love belongs endlessly pure. In downlight breaks, revealing beauty of love, hands hold hearts unite in love, forever bound, silent views made true in love's eternal embrace, eyes meet, sparks fly in love's gentle glow, soft carriers of dreams, gently spoken in vipers, stars align, guiding love. In night we dream, endless nights shared in love's tender embrace forever, together always in life. And love we stand with strength and grace. Your love leads us in love's endless journey. We find pure joy, hand in hand forever. We walk life's path. Silent promises echo true in love's gentle hold, eyes closed, dreams awaken in love's tender light, heartbeat join, rhythms blend in love's eternal dance, soft vipers of love speak volumes in hearts, stars shine on love, endless and pure always in moonlights. Love glows brightly ever true and dreams unfollowed in love's gentle arms we stay together always in love, embrace forever, bound by silent vows, made eternal in love, true hold, eyes sparkle with love, and lives pure, always ours in dawns. First light, our love rises anew, heartbeat joined in love's rhythm sweets together forever. Soft carriers speak love more than words can. It's our stars above. Whiteness true, love's gentle, impress always. In darkness, love guidance our path. Always clear, endless nights we share in dreams. United always, love's journey continuous forever with you. By side, eyes closed, dream sweet of love, endless and soft touch, heartbeat together always in love, hand in hand always in lives. Journey we stars vipers, our love, story endless in sky, heart's rhythm beats true in love's external embrace, eyes shine with love, endless pure, always ours in dawn's first light, our